Hi, this is Dennis Norman, one of the brokers with More Realtors, and if you'll give me 5 minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to speed on what's happening in the St. Louis real estate market. This is our St. Louis real estate market video update for August 2013. First, let's start with a look at the big picture. This is the market action index for the entire St. Louis MSA. Just a quick reminder on this. This is an index that we have that you'll see the numbers on the left side there. They go from 0 to 60 is the total range of the index. This is just a quick snapshot of whether we're in a buyer's market or a seller's market. A 30 would be a balanced market, not favoring buyers or sellers. Anything below a 30 down to a low as 0 is a buyer's market. Above a 30, the higher it goes, the hotter it is, the more it's a seller's market. And you can see here on this chart that goes back for a couple of years, we were definitely in seller's market territory in the metro area earlier this year, but it's been on the decline since about early spring and is now down to almost 27, so a buyer's market for the metro area as a whole. Now let's look at the Missouri side of the river, though, the bulk of the MSA. And this is our chart showing, our table showing our St. Louis sellers markets. So ranked in order here are the markets in St. Louis that are sellers markets. Now remember, a seller's market does not mean prices are necessarily going up. It means based upon supply and demand that it's favoring sellers. So lower inventories, higher demand. Part of what could be creating that would be lowering of prices too. But you can see there at the top of the list, very high in the index with a 53, again out of a maximum of 60, is Grover, 63040. Then De Pere, Webster Groves, Chesterfield, Glendale, and so forth. You can see there's 16 cities there that are at a 40 or above. Now let's go to the other end of the market and look at St. Louis's buyers markets. This is actually a total list of all the cities that are below a 30, so it's only 8 at this point. And at the top of the list with the lowest is 63101 zip code of St. Louis City, followed by Cedar Hill, High Ridge, Imperial, St. Albans, then the 63122 portion of De Pere, and so forth. So out of those 8 cities that are buyers markets, one's in the city of St. Louis, and then the one in St. Louis County and De Pere, and then the rest of them are out a ways. Now we're going to look at some charts that are based upon what I call the core market for St. Louis. It's the 5-county area consisting of the city of St. Louis County, St. Charles County, Franklin County, and Jefferson County. So these charts are for those 5 counties, which make up the bulk of all of the real estate sales in the St. Louis metro area on the Missouri side of the river. So these charts represent data from all those markets combined. This first one here shows the number of sales and the average sales price for this 5-county area over the past year. You can see here for July, July came in a little bit higher than the prior month in June. July came in with about 3,379 sales. Up from June, and if you look back to a year ago, it's up about 14% from a year ago when there were 2,958 sales. Average sales price in July of this year was $184,672. A year ago it was $165,195, so that's about an 11.8% increase on the average price. Now this chart shows the median home sales price, which is a little more accurate reflection of what the market's doing, and the median time it's taken to sell homes. The red line is the time to sell, the yellow line is the median price. And you can see there what the price has done in the past year, again, has increased from about $130,000 a year ago on a median price, up 13.9% in the past year to $148,101 last month. The time to sell has dropped over a fourth, from 66 days on the market a year ago to 49 days on the market now. So good news. This is what I call my realtor scorecard. This shows how good or how accurate the homes are priced coming out on the market. This is a ratio of the sales price to the list price. The yellow line at the top shows the sales price to the list price at the time of sale. The red line at the bottom shows the sales price to the original list price. You can see the homes are selling for about 97, almost 98% of the current list price at the time of sale, and even the percentage of the original list price has climbed up to about 96%. So realtors are definitely doing a better job of getting the houses priced right to start with. This is a quick snapshot of the inventory for this 5-county area of homes for sale. You can see over the past year the inventory and the supply of homes has dropped from about a 6-month supply to a 5-month supply, which is very good. Finally, my last slide, this is a 10-year big picture look. This shows median home prices, which is the green line over the last 10 years, and the blue line is median list price. And you can see that over this 10-year period what has happened, and basically we are back now to very close to where we were 10 years ago. In 2003, the median sales price was $135,000. 2013 so far, it's 134, just slightly behind. Sellers are a little more optimistic though. The median list price 10 years ago was 142.9. Currently, it's 145. And that's it. That's our 5-minute update. Remember, you can scan the QR code at the right and get a whole lot more information. This has just been a very quick snapshot. We've got a ton of resources available for buyers and sellers. On the left there, you see St. Louis's best real estate search site. It is stlouisrealestatesearch.com. I invite you to go there and search all the homes for sale. Here's a quick little legal disclaimer. Read that. Okay, that was good. And back here. So thank you, and until next month, thank you for joining me, and God bless you.